Hello everybody, my name is Miss Meg and today I'm going to be doing a earth science experiment with you to teach you all about sediment. So we're doing a sediment jar experiment. So we are going to start today's activity out with a welcome song. So here we go. Hello, hello, can you clap your hands? Hello, hello, can you clap your hands? Can you stretch up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you spin around? Can you say hello? Hello, hello, can you stomp your feet? Hello, hello, can you stomp your feet? Can you stretch up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you spin around? Can you say hello? Hello, hello, how are you today? How are you doing?
Good.
And how are you going?
Good.
Okay, so we are going to start by talking about the materials needed. So what we have is a plastic container because some of our younger friends in the centers that we're working in are very not cautious with glass materials. So,
I think older too for me.
okay, that's true. So we have a plastic container. I have some glass here, but what you guys can do when you collect your materials is get some sort of like a plastic container. So what we did was we grabbed some rocks from our front garden, some water from the creek behind our house, and some sand from the creek behind our house. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour everything into the container, and we are going to make some predictions about what's going to settle first, and we're gonna shake it up.
It's heavy.
Shake it up, and then we are going to make some observations. So we are going to start by, Cohen, you can pour whatever you want in the container first. Cohen, what do you think is going to settle first?
The rocks.
The rocks? Jackson, what do you think is going to settle first?
The rocks.
The rocks? What do you think is going to settle after that?
Then the water, because it's always settled.
Alright.
We need like 4 cups.
Yeah, you got it. Because there's quite a bit here. We can pour some more water in there.
Okay. Mix it up.
Alright.
Wait.
Yep, get it in there.
And
You got this. Well done. Okay, I got a
okay,
little
one
more.
more.
We might need more.
Yeah. I'm just gonna soften it up with a spoon.
Yeah, just get it.
Well,
It works better.
no.
You guys are awesome. Okay, we're gonna put a little
I
bit
am
more water.
awesome.
Okay, all right.
Wow.
Okay, dump her in.
Wow.
Okay, Jackson, while we're doing this, can you dump some rocks in, please?
Rock. Rock. Rock.
Just 1 second. I'm gonna go like this, and then yeah. Oops. Here, Ko, you pour this in. That's okay. That's another layer we're gonna talk about after. Okay, and yeah, prepare yourselves to get a little bit messy.
Messy.
But it's not fun unless it's messy. It's okay, babe. That's good enough.
Nah, Cohen worked too hard to get
I
that.
know, it's okay, but we're running out of time.
Oh,
Can you...
Can we check the time? Yeah, we're already at the 3-minute mark.
Okay, that's okay. We're doing fine. So, I'm going to do some shaking on it. Just because the lid doesn't close properly. For your guys' experiment, you'll probably want a container that closes all the way. Just so you don't have to deal with this. It's okay, but we'll get it cleaned up after. Can you throw that in the sink, please? Okay, so I'm going to shake it up. We're going to shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake the shake container. All right, so we're shaking it. All right, now we are going to watch for a couple minutes. Optimally, you would want probably about an hour to let it settle. You'd like to place it in a well-lit area. We are in snowy Summerland, and it is 5:44 p.m., so it's getting a bit dark. But we also have my son Jackson's flashlight that can help, so we're just going to watch it settle for 1 moment here. Jackson will light up behind so you guys can watch it settle.
I'll do levels. Go on. I'm not doing my homework today.
Oh, okay, yeah, don't move your sweater. Okay. So it already looks like it's starting to settle. What's on the bottom, guys?
Rocks.
Rocks. I'm just gonna dry this off so you can see it a little bit better.
Okay. Level 1. Level 1.
Nope.
Yes, you can.
Barely.
Look.
Here, do it all the way.
Level 2.
Tiny bit.
Level 3. Level 4.
Okay. So what I want to show you guys is at the bottom, the sand has actually settled first.
No, the rock.
No, that is sand, my friend. And then it goes rocks. And then there's still a little bit of sand floating around. And the top level is humus. Not humus, humus. So the humus layer
I like hummus.
is anything dead that isn't heavy enough to sink to the bottom. So we'll just kind of
there's
film
the
it
light.
a little bit longer and let it settle a little bit
see the
longer.
light.
Yeah,
I'm gonna get time lapse on my phone
that's a good idea.
of it settling.
Yeah. Go around the other side, see how that's doing.
Time lapse. Time lapse.
Okay, so what are you guys observing?
The top is getting lighter than the bottom.
Can you shut off the top? The top is lighter than the bottom? That's a good observation. Jackson, what are you observing?
I'm just sitting here.
No, but what do you see when you look at it? What's popping out at
I
you?
see his cap because you said the sand settled first. It's the rocks.
Nope.
I can see sand on the bottom. I see we have some differing answers, and that's okay.
Mom, it's the rocks. Settled first.
Sand is actually heavier than rocks.
We are going to find out as soon as it settles all the way.
Jackson, put your flashlight.
No, I can't. Do we got another phone?
Where's your flashlight from your Halloween?
Oh, get both of them. Get one of mine. Too, Cole.
So we'll talk about the different layers in sediment. So you can find sediment in swamps, creeks, rivers, oceans, lakes, ponds, any type of water basin. The base will be the sand, the heaviest matter, then the rocks. Then you're going to have your clear water, and then at the top you're going to have your humus layer. So you can see there's kind of like little dirt, some leaves,
and possibly some bugs.
possibly some bugs. And if we're lucky, we might even be able to see some microorganisms, but I'm not 100% sure. It's only been a few minutes and it's settled quite a bit, so I'm going to cut.
The time lapse will definitely show it. Time lapse at the end. I'm cap cutting all this and editing.
That's okay. So I'm going to end this with a goodbye song, and then when I'm done singing the song, we will see if it's settled anymore.
Make sure you text me the video so I
will.
can cap cut it.
All right, guys. So thank you so much for joining us today for our sediment jar experiment.
Love you, Mom.
Love you too. Thank you to Jackson and Cohen for being my assistants and running outside with me in the snow and the cold to collect our materials. And yeah, here is our so long song.
Goodbye, goodbye.
No, so it's so long, farewell to you, my friend. So long, farewell, until we meet again.
Can I make one? Cheeseburger. Goodbye.
All right, goodbye everybody. I hope you enjoyed.